we'll show you how to make a Hong Kong-style salad. It's a quick and delicious meal.
And I'll teach you some interesting food idioms.
What are idioms?
Idioms are groups of words that have a special meaning. Food idioms are idioms that use the names of food.
Let's learn the idioms while we do the cooking.
Let's begin. What is the first ingredient?
Apples. Crunchy apples are my favorite fruit.
Do you know any apple idioms?
This little boy is the apple of his father's eye. He is also the apple of his mother's eye.
The apple of your eye is someone who is very special to you. Oh. Look at my dog, Jenny.
Aw, so cute.
She is the apple of my eye. I love her very much.
Oh no, the apple cubes are turning brown.
Don't worry. Just add some water. There you go.
Thank you.
Now let them sit for a while. What's next?
Which is your favorite ingredient, Haley?
I like potatoes.
Here we are. Let's wash and peel them first.
Good idea.
Here.
Thank you. 2 small potatoes. Do you know? Small potatoes is an idiom. Can you guess its meaning?
I don't know.
Small potatoes means ordinary people, like us. We're 2 small potatoes.
Meaning we're not important people.
That's right.
Then big potatoes means very important people.
I would say a big cheese. It's a funny idiom we can use to describe someone very important.
Let me think. Barack Obama, the President of the United States, is a big cheese. Right? He is a world leader.
Correct. But we're just small potatoes.
Got it. I think we should wash and cut the potatoes now.
Okay. Do you know any potato idioms? Couch potato is an idiom. It means someone who sits around and watches too much TV. They can get a very big belly, so don't be a couch potato. What are you doing, Jenny?
I'm carving a potato.
Oh. A mouse potato. Good job, Jenny.
Thanks.
Although a mouse potato isn't an idiom, it's a funny phrase you might have heard of. spends too much time on the computer, we say he or she is a mouse potato. So don't be a mouse potato either. Give your eyes some rest.
It's time to boil the potatoes now, Haley.
All right. So what's next?
Some eggs. Let's boil the eggs now.
Okay. While we're waiting, let's learn an idiom about eggs.
I give up.
Fail.
I can do 50 push-ups.
Really? 50? Show us.
You ready, guys?
Yep.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
I give up.
He can't really do 50 push-ups. Look how embarrassed he is. He really has egg on his face now. Remember, have egg on one's face is an idiom used to describe someone who feels embarrassed.
Don't throw eggs at people. It's rude.
And it's a waste of food. Here. Thank you. I love these things.
Oh, smell good.
What's your favorite kind of eggs? Yes. Really?
Hey, I'd like to add some color to the salad.
Okay.
This cherry is sweet.
But these grapes are sour. Hey! Sour grapes. It's an idiom from the famous Aesop's fables, The Fox and the Grapes.
I don't want any of those grapes. They're not ripe. The grapes are sour.
Are the grapes sour?
No one knows. The fox just said something bad because it couldn't get what it wanted. Or you can use the idiom this way. You can use it to describe someone's opinion or behavior as sour grapes.
Hey guys! Check out my new toy. Look what it can do. I can watch movies, I can listen to music, and I can play games. How about that? Do you want to try?
It's too expensive, too heavy.
Do you want to try?
It's not worth buying. I don't need one.
Did you notice? His friends said something bad about the new toy. Maybe because they didn't have one themselves. That's sour grapes.
Hey, dude. Who needs something like that?
I don't know.
Absolutely, Jenny. You can say that's sour grapes to describe his opinion.
I don't want the grapes now. Let's just take the cherries.
Do you want another bite at the cherry?
Of course, it's so sweet.
Hey boys and girls, another bite at the cherry is an idiom we all like.
Okay, that's great. I'll let him know. Thanks very much. Bye-bye. Your teacher just called. You have a makeup exam next week.
Really? I can take the exam again?
You are so lucky. You have another bite at the cherry next week.
Thank goodness.
I know. This idiom means a second chance to do something.
So take your chances.
Let's add some salad dressing.
Yeah, me too.
This is true.
Actually, I use yogurt a lot.
Ta-da!
All done.
This is our Hong Kong style salad.
Looks delicious, doesn't it?
Try making this for your family.
And learn to use food idioms when speaking with your friends.
Because idioms make our conversations more fun. Let's eat.
I think we should definitely get some food. Here we go.
Thank you.
Bowl for you? Okay. Let's get some
Let's
here.
just...
Oops, I lost one.
I give up.
Teacher just called. There's a makeup test next week.
Really? I can take the exam again?